TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and it certainly looks like I've been wrong about the stock market once again. However, we were short the Russell, and it's still working, but the others are still going strong. You can see the S&P has taken out new highs, easily taken out new highs. And you talk about easily taking out new highs. Look at this. Here's your NASDAQ. We smashed through those early this morning, just a huge run up, and it hasn't backed off hardly at all today, folks. Now, the Russell has backed off, but very, very slightly. Remember, we were saying this was a short up here at this level right here. There was your first place to get in it right there. That's where I'd have my stop, but you can see we've sold off a little bit, but still looks very, very strong. I made one other slight mistake today, folks, and that was in the gold market. We've been bullish gold for a long time. We were in gold all over the weekend. I'll show you what I did today. You'll love this one. Anyway, we had bought it several times. We've taken over $200 out of gold in the last 9 trading days. We were long coming in with our stop right below here. We got up to this level right here is where we were, and I said, I think it's time we better take some profits right here. And this was the breakout of the hourly chart. I didn't see it till a few minutes later, and if you looked at it, you'll see there was the breakout right there, and I got out of it. But, we had a nice run in it, well over $35 today, but, that doesn't take the sting of missing a lot. So, the fear of missing out is always in it. I never have a worry about that fear. My fear basically is the fear of being wrong, and I'm wrong a lot, so that's why I put stops in and see what's happening. We had a couple other really good trades today. One was in the soybeans. If you remember, we were selling soybeans at $10.42. They're now down well over $1,000, which would be your first profit objective. I'll show it to you here. You'll notice this was the 135 pattern that we had here in the gold, in the soybeans right here. You can see we had a pretty big back off. The low today was exactly 382 off of this move, so that's be the ideal place to, to take a profit in it. So that's what I would be suggesting to do. Okay, now we're going to take a little break. Our guest today will be none other than Norman Winsky, so stay tuned, folks.